Did you know that chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water? This unique property helps you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Chia seeds have been gaining popularity among health enthusiasts as a natural weight loss aid, and it's easy to see why they're packed with nutrients, versatile, and can be incorporated into your daily diet in a variety of ways. Chia seeds are actually the edible seeds of the plant Salvia hispanica, which is a member of the mint family. They're a rich source of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, making them a nutritional powerhouse. The high fiber content in chia seeds helps to slow down digestion, which can lead to feelings of fullness and satisfaction, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Their nutritional profile is one of the main reasons they've gained attention in the weight loss community, as they offer a natural and healthy way to support weight loss goals. The benefits of chia seeds for weight loss are numerous, and one of the most significant advantages is their high fiber content. Fiber helps to keep you feeling fuller for longer, reducing the need for snacking and overeating. Chia seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help to regulate bowel movements, promote digestive health, and support healthy blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in chia seeds can also help to lower cholesterol levels by binding to bile acids and removing them from the body, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. The ability of chia seeds to absorb water is another key benefit for weight loss. When chia seeds absorb water, they expand and form a gel-like texture, which can help to slow down digestion and keep you feeling fuller for longer. This can be especially helpful for people who struggle with portion control or find it difficult to stop eating when they're full. By incorporating chia seeds into your meals, you can help to reduce hunger and increase feelings of satiety, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. In addition to their high fiber content and ability to absorb water, chia seeds can also help to promote satiety by providing a feeling of fullness and satisfaction. This can be especially helpful for people who struggle with emotional eating or find it difficult to stop eating when they're bored. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can help to reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Chia seeds can be added to a variety of foods, including oatmeal, yogurt, and salads, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily diet. Studies have shown that chia seeds can be an effective aid in weight loss, particularly when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. One study found that participants who consumed chia seeds as part of a weight loss diet experienced greater weight loss than those who did not consume chia seeds. Another study found that chia seeds help to reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health, which can be beneficial for overall health and well-being. These studies demonstrate the potential benefits of chia seeds for weight loss and overall health. Many people have reported successful weight loss after incorporating chia seeds into their diet, and some have even reported improved overall health and well-being. For example, some people have reported reduced inflammation, improved digestion, and increased energy levels after consuming chia seeds regularly. These personal testimonials highlight the potential benefits of chia seeds for weight loss and overall health, and demonstrate that they can be a useful addition to a weight loss diet. Some studies have also investigated the effects of chia seeds on appetite and satiety, and the results are promising. One study found that participants who consumed chia seeds before a meal experienced reduced hunger and increased feelings of fullness, compared to those who did not consume chia seeds. Another study found that chia seeds helped to reduce cravings for unhealthy foods, which can be a major obstacle for people trying to lose weight. These studies demonstrate the potential benefits of chia seeds for weight loss and highlight their potential as a useful aid in a weight loss diet. While chia seeds can be a useful aid in weight loss, it's essential to remember that they should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Chia seeds alone will not lead to weight loss, and it's crucial to maintain a healthy lifestyle in order to achieve and maintain weight loss goals. A balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources, combined with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, is the best way to achieve and maintain weight loss. In conclusion, chia seeds can be a valuable addition to a weight loss diet, providing a natural and healthy way to support weight loss goals. Their high fiber content, ability to absorb water, and potential to promote satiety make them an attractive option for people looking to lose weight and improve their overall health. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can help to regulate hunger, promote digestive health, and support overall well-being. If you've tried chia seeds as part of your weight loss journey, we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Have you noticed any benefits or challenges when incorporating chia seeds into your diet? Share your story with us and help to inspire others who may be looking to try chia seeds for themselves. And if you're looking for more healthy eating tips and weight loss advice, be sure to check out our other videos, where we share our top tips and tricks for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight.